Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToHub. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the language to English on the RedNote app, also known as the alternate TikTok app. Let's dive right in. Open the RedNote app. You can start on any page within the app. If the app is in another language, don't worry. Look for the Me tab or the little person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on it to go to your profile. Once you're on your profile, tap on the three lines in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the menu. Look for the gear icon, which represents the settings, and tap on it. In the General Settings menu, the first option you'll see is the language setting, even if it's written in another language. Tap on it to open the language options. Scroll through the list of languages and look for English. Once you find it, tap on it. The app will immediately switch to English, and all text will now be displayed in English. And that's it. Now your RedNote app is set to English. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to HowToHub for more easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.